कैंसर से उसका शरीर घुला जा रहा है। His body is wasting away from cancer. His body is wasting away from cancer. तुम होते कौन हो मुझे समझाने वाले? Who are you to make me understand? Who are you to make me understand? इस करी में नमक कुछ ज़्यादा ही है। There is far too much salt in this curry. There is far too much salt in this curry. उसे बहुत तेज बुखार है। He has got a high fever. He has got a high fever. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. हिम्मत मत हारो। Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. ये दवाई दिन में कितनी बार लेनी है? How many times a day should I take this medicine? How many times a day should I take this medicine? मायूस मत हो। Don't get desperate. Don't get desperate. तुमने सब कुछ बैग में रख दिया? You put everything into the bag. You put everything into the bag. तुम मुझे बहुत देर से कह रहे हो कुछ कहना है, कुछ कहना है, तुम कहते क्यों नहीं? You have been telling me for the long time that you want to say something. Why don't you tell me? You have been telling me for the long time that you want to say something. Why don't you tell me? पैसे लेकर जल्दी ऑफिस पहुंचो। Get to the office quickly with the money. Get to the office quickly with the money. क्या मुझे देर हो गई? Am I late? Am I late? थोड़ी चीनी खरीद लो। Buy some sugar. Buy some sugar. अपने हाथों को घुमाओ। Roll your hands. Roll your hands. बाजार ठंडा है। Market is dull. Market is dull. वो मजाक था पर तुमने तो सीरियसली ले लिया। That was a joke, but you took it literally. That was a joke, but you took it literally. मैं इसे कल साफ करूंगा। I am going to clean it tomorrow. I am going to clean it tomorrow. मैं आज थोड़ी देर से जगा। I woke up a little late today. I woke up a little late today. क्या खाऊं? What to eat? What to eat? अंदर आ जाओ। Come on in. Come on in. मुझे ये काम करना है। I have to do this work. I have to do this work. जब मैं पूछती हूँ तो वो इस पर बेकार के बहाने बनाता है। When I ask, he gives lame excuses on it. When I ask, he gives lame excuses on it. एक घूंट पी लो। Take a sip. Take a sip. कहाँ कॉल किया है तुमने? ऑफिस में ही ना। Where have you called up? At the office, isn't it? Where have you called up? At the office, isn't it? इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा। You won't get it so easily. You won't get it so easily. ऐसा लगता है काफी वक्त हो गया। It feels like a long time. It feels like a long time. मैं बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत में हूँ। I am in a deep mess. I am in a deep mess. उसे प्यार देना। Give him love. Give him love. और किसने पूछा तुमसे? Who else has asked you? Who else has asked you? क्या रिया पार्टी में आई थी? Did Riya come to the party? Did Riya come to the party? मेरी नकल मत करो। Don't imitate me. Don't imitate me. सिंक हमेशा जूठे बर्तनों से भरा रहता है। The sink is always full of washing up. The sink is always full of washing up. कमीज खोलो। Undo your shirt. Undo your shirt. जहाँ गलत लिखा हो उसे सही करो। Correct your mistakes. Correct your mistakes. मेरे पास मेरा फोन नहीं था। I hadn't got my phone with me. I hadn't got my phone with me. समय तो देखो 6:30 बज रहे हैं। Look at the time. It's 6:30. Look at the time, it's 6:30. आपने कमीज उल्टी पहनी है. You have got your shirt on inside out. You have got your shirt on inside out. प्रयागराज पहुंचने में कितना समय लगता है? How long does it take to get to Prayagraj? How long does it take to get to Prayagraj? वो तुम्हारे यहाँ कब कब आता है? How often does he visit you? How often does he visit you? आपके परिवार में कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? मेरे सामान का ध्यान रखना. Look after my luggage. Look after my luggage. तुम हमेशा वो नहीं कर सकते जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगे. You can't always do as you please. You can't always do as you please. टालो मत. Don't put off. Don't put off. जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. ये आप पे अच्छी लग रही है. It looks good on you. It looks good on you. ये लीजिए आपकी चाय. Here's your tea. Here's your tea. आओ कॉफी पीते हैं. Let's take coffee. Let's take coffee. और कितने बिस्किट्स खाओगे आप? How many more biscuits will you eat? How many more biscuits will you eat? अगर फ्री नहीं हो तो कोई बात नहीं. If you are not free then never mind. If you are not free then never mind. आप मेरे लिए तकल्लुफ़ क्यों उठा रहे हैं? Why are you taking trouble for me? Why are you taking trouble for me? वह कक्षा के समय दूसरे बच्चों से बातें करता रहता है. He keeps talking with other students during the class. He keeps talking with other students during the class. मैं भी कल रात देर तक जागता रहा. I was up late last night too. I was up late last night too. फिर से मत रो. Don't cry again. Don't cry again. मसाले मिला लो. Mix the spices. Mix the spices. मेरे लिए थोड़ा पानी गर्म कर दो. Heat up some water for me. Heat up some water for me. मेरे पास जो भी था मैंने उसे दे दिया. I gave him what I had. I gave him what I had. मैं ये लूंगी. I will buy it. I will buy it. अरे परेशान मत हो. Oh, don't bother. Oh, don't bother. तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? उन्होंने मुझसे दोस्ती कर ली. They befriended me. They befriended me. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. I am from Delhi. I am from Delhi. चलो अंदर चलें. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. कुछ खाने का मन नहीं करता. I don't feel like eating anything. I don't feel like eating anything. रैसेज पर खुजली मत करो, खून बहने लगेगा. Don't scratch the rashes, you will make them bleed. Don't scratch the rashes, you will make them bleed. आजकल हल्की ठंड है. It is slight cold nowadays. It is slight cold nowadays. मेरे पीठ में खुजला दो, मुझे खुजली हो रही है. Scratch my back, I have got an itch. Scratch my back, I have got an itch. क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? Are you married? Are you married? मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि कैसे एक आदमी अपनी सारी जिंदगी एक औरत के साथ बिता सकता है. I have never understood how can a man live with one woman for his entire life. I have never understood how can a man live with one woman for his entire life. इसका स्वाद अच्छा है. It tastes good. It tastes good. तुम पहले चलो. यू गो फर्स्ट, यू गो फर्स्ट। तुम बिल्कुल मेरे भाई के जैसे हो। यू आर जस्ट लाइक माई ब्रदर, यू आर जस्ट लाइक माई ब्रदर। क्या कोई घर पे है? इज एनीबडी होम, इज एनीबडी होम। हताश मत हो, डोंट गिव अप, डोंट गिव। अच्छा हुआ मटका टूट गया। इट्स गुड दैट द पॉट ब्रोक, इट्स गुड दैट द पॉट ब्रोक। खाली दूध पीना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, अगर इसमें दूध पाउडर डाल दो तो अच्छा लगता है। प्लेन मिल्क डजंट टेस्ट गुड, एडिंग मिल्क पाउडर गिव्स इट अ यमी टेस्ट। Plain milk doesn't taste good. Adding milk powder gives it a yummy taste. जल्दी से जल्दी उसकी शादी करा दो। Get her married at the earliest. Get her married at the earliest. आपके हारने का क्या कारण था? What was the reason behind your defeat? What was the reason behind your defeat? क्या आप कभी प्रयागराज गए हैं? Have you ever been to प्रयागराज? Have you ever been to प्रयागराज? मैं आपके बहानों से तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up with your excuses. I am fed up with your excuses. दीवार में दरार है। There is a crack in the wall. There is a crack in the wall. क्या तुम भी आना चाहते हो? Do you also want to come? Do you also want to come? मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? देख, मेरे से 3-5 मत कर। Look, do not quarrel with me. Do not quarrel with me. क्या ये जूते 18 नंबर में हैं? Do you have these shoes in size 18? Do you have these shoes in size 18? मेरे ऑफिस में कुछ लोग बहुत ही कम मतलब ना के बराबर काम करते हैं। At my office, some people do very little work. At my office, some people do very little work. जाकर पढ़ाई करो। Go and study. Go and study. आपको फिल्म कैसी लगी? How did you like the movie? How did you like the movie? मेरे दाहिने पैर में फुटका हुआ है। I have got blister on my right foot. I have got blister on my right foot. क्या उन्होंने कुछ गलत किया? Have they done something wrong? Have they done something wrong? तुम्हें समझ में आया उसने क्या कहा? Did you understand what he said? Did you understand what he said? विकल्प ही नहीं है, चलना पड़ेगा। There is no option, it will have to do. There is no option, it will have to do. केवल 2-3 लोगों से काम चलता था। Only 2 or 3 people were there to serve. Only 2 to 3 people were there to serve. क्या पियोगे? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? प्याज भून लो। Saute the onion. Saute the onion. मैं इस पर ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं फूकना चाहती। I don't want to splurge on this. I don't want to splurge on this. मैं तुम्हारे बहाने सुन सुनकर पक गई हूँ। I am tired of listening to your excuses. I am tired of listening to your excuses. सीधे होकर बैठो। Sit up straight. Sit up straight. तुम खो जाओगे। You will get lost. You will get lost. रसीद देंगे प्लीज? Would you give me the receipt please? Would you give me the receipt please? हमारे घर में सुबह 7 बजे पानी आता है। At our place, water supply starts at 7 in the morning. At our place, water supply starts at 7 in the morning. अगर वो ज़रा सी भी तुम्हारे जैसी है तो चलेगी। If she is anything like you, she will do. If she is anything like you, she will do. हम पार्टी में मज़े कर रहे थे। We were having fun at the party. We were having fun at the party. अभी के लिए बाय, बाय फॉर नाउ,
Bye for now.
मेरा मूड खराब है. I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood.
हाथ हटाओ मेरे ऊपर से. Get off me. Get off me. हाँ 4 बार. Yes 4 times. Yes 4 times.
तुम्हें अपना बनाने के लिए मैं जो कर सकता था मैंने किया. I did everything I could to make you mine. I did everything I could to make you mine. मैंने कल बहुत काम किए. I did a lot of work yesterday. I did a lot of work yesterday. रीना को तैयार करो और उसे बाहर लाओ. Get Reena ready and bring her out. Get Reena ready and bring her out.
क्लास के बाद भी रुके रहना. Stay behind after class. Stay behind after class.
आग जलाओ. Light the fire. Light the fire. कुछ खुराफात कर रहे हो. Up to something. Up to something.
एक टैक्सी बुलाओ. Call a taxi. Call a taxi.
उसने तुमसे क्या कहा. What did he say to you? What did he say to you? कुछ खास नहीं दोस्त. Not much dude. Not much dude. मैं यहाँ आते आते खो गया था. I got lost while coming here. I got lost while coming here. वो भाग्यशाली है, उसके पास कुछ ही समस्याएं हैं. He is lucky he has few problems. He is lucky he has few problems. देखो ये सीधा लगा है कि नहीं. Check whether it is inserted the right way up. Check whether it's inserted the right way up. और आपने यहाँ किया क्या. And what did you do here? And what did you do here? जो शरीफ ईमानदार और इज्जतदार फैमिली से है. Who is decent, honest and belongs to a respectable family. Who is decent, honest and belongs to a respectable family. तुम्हें क्या लगता है मुझे नहीं पता कि तुमने चीटिंग की है. Do you think I don't know that you have cheated? Do you think I don't know that you have cheated? लगता है ये वह चाय पी गया जो कमल के लिए थी. Seem like he drank the tea that was meant for Kamal. Seem like he drank the tea that was meant for Kamal.
अपनी उंगलियां हिलाओ. Wriggle your fingers. Wriggle your fingers.
कहाँ हो. Where are you? Where are you? तुम्हें इससे क्या मिलेगा. What will you gain out of this? What will you gain out of this?
कभी कभी अक्सर नहीं. Sometimes not often. Sometimes not often.
पेन का ढक्कन कहाँ है. Where is the cap of the pen? Where is the cap of the pen?
बताओ हमें तुम वहां गए थे या नहीं. Tell us had you gone there or not. Tell us had you gone there or not. लेकिन आपसे मिलने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि वो बिल्कुल आपके जैसी होगी. But after meeting you, I feel that she must have been just like you. But after meeting you, I feel that she must have been just like you.
दिखाना कैसे करना है. Show me how to do it. Show me how to do it. तुम नाक क्यों सिकोड़ रहे हो. Why are you wrinkling your nose? Why are you wrinkling your nose? क्या तुम कर चुके. Are you done? Are you done? मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. शुरुआत तुमने की, खत्म भी तुम ही करोगे. You started it and you will finish. You started it and you will finish. चाचा जी को मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते कहना. Say hi to uncle for me. Say hi to uncle for me. तुम दोनों में इतनी दुश्मनी कहाँ से पैदा हो गई. Where did this enmity between you two come from? Where did this enmity between you two come from? तुम्हें मेरी फिक्र करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You need not worry about me. You need not worry about me. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's get started. Let's get started. मैं बालों में कंघी करने से पहले बाल नम करती हूँ। आई डैम्प डाउन माई हेयर बिफोर कॉम्बिंग इट। आई डैम्प डाउन माई हेयर बिफोर कॉम्बिंग इट।
कोई बात नहीं यार। नो वरीज मेट। नो वरीज मेट। पूरे रास्ते। ऑल द वे। ऑल द वे। क्या तुम्हें अंदर से आवाज नहीं सुनाई देती? डोंट यू हेयर अ वॉइस फ्रॉम विद इन? डोंट यू हेयर अ वॉइस फ्रॉम विद इन?
मुझे कल रात एक सपना आया था। आई हैड अ ड्रीम लास्ट नाइट। आई हैड अ ड्रीम लास्ट नाइट।
मैं अपने कान छिदवा रही हूँ।
आई एम गेटिंग माई ईयर्स पियर्स्ड। आई एम गेटिंग माई ईयर्स पियर्स्ड। और उसका कोई काम नहीं है मोबाइल चलाने के अलावा। ही हैज़ नथिंग टू डू एक्सेप्ट प्लेइंग ऑन द फोन। ही हैज़ नथिंग टू डू एक्सेप्ट। मैंने भी सोचा जाने दो, मेरा बहस करने का मन नहीं था। I thought to let that go. I didn't feel like arguing. I thought to let that go. I didn't feel like arguing. हाँ, ये भारी है. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. हाँ, ये टिकाऊ है. Yes, it's durable. Yes, it's durable.
कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here?
क्या तुम मुझ पर उंगली उठा रहे हो? Are you pointing the finger at me? Are you pointing the finger at me? कुछ नहीं बचा है. Nothing is left. Nothing is left. बड़ा खुराफाती दिमाग है आपका. Such a mischievous mind you have got. Such a mischievous mind you have got. उसके साथ थोड़ी दिक्कतें हैं तो वो खुश नहीं है. She has a few problems so she is not happy. She has a few problems so she is not happy. मैं घूमने जा रही हूँ, मुझे घूमना पसंद है. I am going on a trip. I like visiting places. I am going on a trip. I like visiting places.
मैं सलून गया और फिर किराने की दुकान पर. I went to the saloon and then to the grocery store. I went to the saloon and then to the grocery store.
वह कभी नहीं सुधरेगा. He will never reform. He will never reform. माफ करना, देर हो गई, मैं जाम में फंस गया था. Sorry, I am late. I was caught in traffic. Sorry, I am late. I was caught in traffic.
मैंने सुना नहीं उसने क्या कहा. I didn't hear what she said. I didn't hear what she said.
मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा हो. I don't want this to happen. I don't want this to happen. गृह कार्य खत्म करो. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. और क्या कहूँ, और कहते हुए भी शर्म आती है. What else can I say? I am ashamed to say anymore. What else can I say? I am ashamed to say anymore.
थप्पड़ पड़ेगा. You will be slapped. You will be slapped. Buttons खोलो. Undo the buttons. Undo the buttons.
कपड़े उल्टे टंगे हुए हैं. The clothes are hanging up inside out. The clothes are hanging up inside out. ये अभी तक हो जाना चाहिए था. It should have done by now. It should have been done by now. क्या आपको यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? जरा बर्तन धोने में हाथ बटा दो प्लीज. Give a hand with the washing up please. Give a hand with the washing up please. मैंने याद किया है. I have memorized. I have memorized. तुम बड़ों जैसा बर्ताव करने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you try to behaving like a grown up? Why don't you try behaving like a grown up? दिमाग में रख लो. Bear in mind. Bear in mind. कुछ जोड़ना मत, बिल्कुल वही कहना जो हमने सिखाया है. Don't add anything, just say what we have taught you. Don't add anything, just say what we have taught you. पूरे फर्श पर कागज बिखरे हुए हैं. Papers are scattered all over the floor. Papers are scattered all over the floor. उसके पास मोबाइल है, मेरे पास मोबाइल नहीं है. She has got a mobile, I haven't got. She has got a mobile, I haven't got. काम तो एक बहाना है. Work is just an excuse. Work is just an excuse. तुमने अभी क्या कहा मुझे? What did you just say to me? What did you just say to me?
थोड़ा सो लो. Get some sleep. Get some sleep.
बहुत ही थोड़ा पानी है, हमें नहाने के लिए थोड़ा और चाहिए. There is little water, we need a little more to take a bath. There is little water, we need a little more to take a bath. मैंने उसको हराया. I defeated him. I defeated him.
मैं उसे सिर्फ धमकी दे रहा था. I was only threatening him. I was only threatening him.
ये बच्चे हर वक्त उल्टी सीधी हरकतें करते रहते हैं. These children mess around all the time. These children mess around all the time.
तू क्या बताएगा उसे? मैं बताता हूँ उसे. What will you tell her? I will tell her. What will you tell her? I will tell her.
क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकता हूँ प्लीज? May I see the menu please? May I see the menu please?
विराजिए. Have a seat.
तुम नहीं समझोगे. You won't understand. You won't understand. खूब रोने के बाद मुझे काफी बेहतर लग रहा है. After a good cry, I feel much better. After a good cry, I feel much better.
मेरे सर में खुजली हो रही है. My head itches. My head itches.
मेरी सोच में सिर्फ तुम ही हो. You are the only one on my mind. You are the only one on my mind. मैंने पहले ही खा लिया. I have already eaten. I have already eaten.
ये होगा.
It will happen. It will happen.
अपना बैग लगाओ.
Pack your bag. Pack your bag.
किसी भी तरह से करो इसे. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. जल्दी मिलते हैं. See you soon. See you soon.
तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों सो गए थे कल? Why did you go to bed so early last night? Why did you go to bed so early last night? क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ प्लीज? May I know your name please? May I know your name please? इसकी लिखावट पढ़ने में मुश्किल होती है. His handwriting is difficult to read. His handwriting is difficult to read. मैं तुम्हें किसी से मिलवाना भी चाहता हूँ. I also want to introduce someone to you. I also want to introduce someone to you.
मैंने इस साल शायद ही कोई छुट्टी ली है. I have hardly taken a day off this year. I have hardly taken a day off this year.
हमारे इस रिश्ते को कभी किसी की बुरी नजर ना लगे. May no one cast evil eye on our relationship. May no one cast evil eye on our relationship.
तुम खामखा परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressed for no reason. You are stressed for no reason.